Hey everyone, today we are diving into something cool called Model Context Protocol or MCP. So, what is it? Imagine you have got all these devices like your phone, laptop, or tablet, and they need to connect to stuff like chargers or headphones. USB-C makes it super easy because it's one cable that works with everything. MCP is like that, but for AI. It's a universal way for AI models to connect to different tools and data sources, like your calendar, email, or files, without a bunch of messy, separate connections. Simple, right? So, why use MCP instead of traditional APIs? So, think of traditional APIs as having a separate key for every door in your house, one for the front door, one for the garage, and one for the shed. So each key has its own rules, and it's a hassle to keep track of them all. MCP is like a master key, one connection that works with tons of tools and services. Instead of juggling a bunch of different keys, MCP makes it easier for AI to talk to everything it needs. So, who is behind this MCP? Who came up with this? MCP was started by a company called Anthropic to help their AI model, Claude, work with different tools. But here's the awesome part, it's not just for them anymore. MCP is open, meaning anyone can use it and build on it. So let's break this down, like how MCP is different from traditional APIs with three big points. One connection, many tools. With MCP, you can set up one connection and your AI can tap into all kinds of tools like plugging in one cable that connects to your printer, speaker, and hard drive all at once. Smart discovery. MCP lets the AI figure out what tools are available on its own. It's like your phone automatically finding nearby Wi-Fi networks. No need to tell it what's out there. Two-way communication. MCP isn't just about AI asking for info. It can also tell tools to do things. So imagine it like a conversation where the AI can listen and speak, like checking your calendar and then booking a meeting. So why does this two-way thing matter? Because it makes AI so much more helpful. With MCP, the AI can pull data like checking your calendar to see when you are free and trigger actions like scheduling a meeting or sending an email for you. It's like having an assistant who doesn't just take notes but actually gets stuff done. That's what makes MCP powerful. It's not just asking questions, it's taking action too. So, how does MCP works? Let's speak under the hood, and I will keep it simple. So, consider it like a little team. There are hosts. These are the apps that want to use AI, like a smart calendar or a code editor. Then we have clients. Think of this as messengers. They connect the apps to the tools and data. And lastly, we have servers. These are the tools and data sources like your email, files, or database. So here is the how it flows. The app host tells the messenger, the client, what it needs, and the messenger talks to the tool server to make it happen. It's a smooth, standardized way to keep everything connected. No complicated setup required. Let's see the examples. So, first example is planning a trip. Without MCP, you would need separate connections for your calendar, email, and the airline booking system. Tons of work. But with MCP, your AI assistant can do it all through one connection. It checks your calendar for free dates, books your flights, and emails the confirmation. Boom, done. It's like having a travel agent who handles everything for you. Second is coding editor. So if you are into coding, picture this. Your code editor gets a major upgrade with MCP. Normally you would have to connect it to your files, Git and documentation separately. With MCP, it's all linked through one connection. The AI can suggest better code, spot bugs, or even write snippets for you based on what's already there. It's like having a super smart coding buddy right in your editor. Last example is for the data nodes. So MCP, imagine you are analyzing data. Normally you would have to manually hook up to different database and visualization tools. With MCP, your AI platform connects to everything through one simple layer. It pulls data, makes charts, and even runs simulation all automatically. It's like having a data assistant that does the heavy lifting so you can focus on the fun stuff. So there you have it. MCP is a new, easier way to connect AI to the tools and data we use every day. It's simpler than juggling tons of APIs, more powerful with two-way communication, and super useful for things like planning trips, coding, or analyzing data. Plus, it's open and standardized. It's only going to get better as more people jump in. Next time you hear about MCP, you will know about its future of AI connectivity, and now you are in on it too. Thank you very much.